a clase, yo soy Kiara or Snacks. Today, I will be showing you how to make a vegetarian salad. Excuse me for not using Spanish right now, but I have to get that out the way. So, what I'll be doing is showing you the ingredients that I have, and then showing you how we'll put it together to make a beautiful dish. Here we go. First, you'll have your plate. Then you have your added dishes, mandarin oranges, avocado, and Chinese fried noodles. You also have your lemon juice. Here you have your pre-cooked vegetarian meat, bell peppers, and onions. And here you have your lettuce, but right now I'm using spinach. Now here comes the Spanish. Primero ponga la lechuga en un plato. Want to make this kind of pretty. Your food should always look pretty. It should always look appetizing, if I may say so. Okay. So it's in a little pretty manner. No, it's just healthy. But it's always nice if it looks really good, even though you're about to eat it. Okay. Eche el jugo de limón encima de la lechuga. I'm going to put a couple of dribbles of this on top of that, just so that can seep into the spinach or your lettuce. Próximo, añada precocina el pollo de soya precocido y sazonado, pimientos y cebolas. Sí. Okay, now when this is on here, you can move some of the bell peppers around. Those beautiful onions. Your food is all seasoned up. Alright. You want to see those beautiful colors. You have orange and yellow bell peppers. So you want to kind of get to see those as you're eating, because you need those beautiful colors within your body. Colorful fruits and vegetables is always good. So there you have that. Para más sabor, añadirá un poco más jugo de limón. You want to add a little bit more lemon to your dish, seep into your meat and your onions and your bell peppers. Okay. Luego añadirá avocado picado. Now you want to add your avocados on top of that. I didn't season these avocados. I kind of like them freshly diced. There you go. Para más gusto agridulce, añada naranjas madrina. Now you're going to add your mandarin oranges. Now, what you can do is put them along the side, or some in the middle, around. I just had a can of mandarin oranges. You can get a mandarin orange and peel it if you like. Okay. Usted podrá añadir aderezo para ensalada. And this is what you have here. Now, me particularly, I like to add just a little bit more lemon juice on top because I don't use dressing. So this is like a dressing to me. Now, as an addition to this, since I had Chinese food today, I'm going to add the fried noodles on here. Just a few. They don't have any taste to them, so anything that has flavor, which has lots of flavor in this salad that we just made together, it will soak up into the fried noodles. All right. Muy delicioso. Que disfrute. Gracias. Adiós, clase.